Want to boost your energy, immunity, and mood? It all starts in your gut. 70% of Americans struggle with gut issues, but one day of eating right can change everything. Join me for a science-backed meal plan to supercharge your gut health and feel amazing. Hello, everyone. Your gut is your body's powerhouse, home to trillions of bacteria that influence digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Yet, 70% of adults report gut issues like bloating or irregularity, per a 2024 National Institutes of Health study, costing billions in healthcare. Today, I'm sharing what I eat in a day to optimize gut health, based on the latest research. From breakfast to dinner, we'll explore fiber-rich foods, probiotics, and prebiotics that nurture your gut microbiome. These meals are delicious, affordable, and fit busy American lifestyles. With poor diets driving 60% of calories from ultra-processed foods, per a 2024 United States Department of Agriculture report, it's time to eat for your gut. Let's dive in and transform your health from the inside out. Let's start with breakfast. Overnight oats with berries and kefir. This meal is packed with fiber and probiotics to kickstart gut health. A 2023 Journal of Nutrition study found that 30 grams of fiber daily increases beneficial gut bacteria by 15%, while a 2024 gut study showed probiotics like kefir reduce bloating by 20%. Ingredients: serves 1 half cup rolled oats, 50 cents, available at Walmart. 1 cup plain kefir, $1, rich in probiotics. Half cup mixed berries, fresh or frozen, $1.50. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 20 cents, high in fiber. 1 teaspoon maple syrup, 10 cents, optional. Instructions: in a mason jar, combine oats, kefir, berries, chia seeds, and maple syrup. Stir well, cover, and refrigerate overnight. Enjoy cold or warmed in the microwave for 1 minute. Nutrition: approximate 300 calories, 10 grams fiber, 12 grams protein, 8 grams fat. Why it works: fiber. Oats and chia seeds feed beneficial bacteria, per a 2021 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Probiotics: kefir's live cultures improve gut diversity, per a 2023 Gut Microbes study. Antioxidants: berries reduce gut inflammation, per a 2024 Nutrients study. Practical tip: prep multiple jars on Sunday for a 5-minute breakfast. Kefir costs $3 per quart at Target, making this a budget-friendly gut booster. For a morning snack, I eat apple slices with almond butter. This combo delivers prebiotics and healthy fats. A 2023 Journal of Translational Medicine study found that prebiotics in apples increase gut bacteria diversity by 10%, while a 2024 nutrient study showed almonds' healthy fats reduce gut inflammation. Ingredients: serves 1 medium apple, 50 cents, Kroger. 2 tablespoons almond butter, 50 cents. Pinch of cinnamon, optional. Instructions: slice apple into wedges. Spread almond butter on slices and sprinkle with cinnamon. Serve immediately or pack in a container for on the go. Nutrition: approximate 250 calories, 6 grams fiber, 7 grams protein, 15 grams fat. Why it works: prebiotics. Apple's pectin feeds good bacteria, per a 2021 gut study. Healthy fats: almonds support gut barrier function, per a 2023 Journal of Nutrition study. Low glycemic: stabilizes blood sugar, reducing gut stress, per a 2024 Diabetes Care study. Practical tip: buy apples in bulk, $3 per pound, and almond butter, $5 per jar, at Costco for a quick, portable snack. For lunch, I enjoy a quinoa veggie bowl with sauerkraut. This meal combines fiber, plant-based nutrients, and fermented foods. A 2023 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found that high-fiber diets reduce gut inflammation by 15%, while a 2024 Gut Microbes study showed sauerkraut's probiotics improve digestion. Ingredients: serves 1 half cup of cooked quinoa, 1 cup of mixed vegetables, like spinach and carrots, $1. Quarter cup of sauerkraut, rich in probiotics. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 10 cents. 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 10 cents. Instructions. Cook quinoa per package. Instructions. 10 minutes. Sauté vegetables in olive oil for 5 minutes. Combine quinoa, vegetables, sauerkraut, and lemon juice in a bowl. Nutrition. Approximate 350 calories. 10 grams fiber, 12 grams protein, 12 grams fat. Why it works. Fiber. Quinoa and veggies promote gut motility, per a 2021 nutrient study. Probiotics. Sauerkraut enhances gut flora, per a 2023 Journal of Translational Medicine study. Antioxidants. Vegetables reduce oxidative stress, per a 2024 Journal of Nutrition study. Practical tip. Batch cook quinoa, $2 per pound, and store sauerkraut, $3 per jar, for a 10-minute lunch. My afternoon snack is Greek yogurt with banana and flax seeds, a probiotic and prebiotic powerhouse. A 2024 gut study found that Greek yogurt's probiotics improve gut health in 70% of users, while a 2023 nutrient study showed flax seeds' lignans support digestion. Ingredients. Serves 1. 3/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, 75 cents. Target. 1 banana, 20 cents. 1 tablespoon ground flax seeds, 20 cents. Instructions. Spoon yogurt into a bowl. Slice banana and sprinkle flax seeds on top. Stir and enjoy. Nutrition. Approximate 280 calories. 10 grams protein, 5 grams fiber, 8 grams fat. Why it works. Probiotics. Yogurt restores gut balance, per a 2021 Gut Microbes study. Prebiotics. Bananas feed beneficial bacteria, per a 2023 Journal of Nutrition study. Omega-3s. Flax seeds reduce gut inflammation, per a 2024 circulation study. Practical tip. Use single-serve yogurt containers, $1, and pre-portioned flax seeds, $5 per pound, for a 5-minute snack. For dinner, I have grilled salmon with sweet potato and kimchi. This meal delivers omega-3s, fiber, and probiotics. A 2024 circulation study found that salmon's omega-3s reduce gut inflammation by 10%, while a 2023 Gut Microbes study showed kimchi's fermented bacteria improve digestion. Ingredients. Serves 1. For ounces salmon, $2. Costco. 1 small sweet potato, 50 cents. 1/4 cup of kimchi, 50 cents. Whole Foods. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 10 cents. Instructions. Bake sweet potato at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Grill salmon in olive oil for 4 minutes per side. Serve with kimchi on the side. Nutrition. Approximate 400 calories, 25 grams protein, 8 grams fiber, 15 grams fat. Why it works. Omega-3s. Salmon supports gut barrier function, per a 2021 nutrient study. Fiber. Sweet potatoes promote regularity, per a 2023 Journal of Nutrition study. Probiotics. Kimchi enhances gut diversity, per a 2024 gut study. Practical tip. Buy salmon in bulk, $8 per pound, and kimchi, $5 per jar, for a 15-minute dinner. Food is only part of gut health. Hydration and lifestyle matter too. A 2024 nutrient study found that 8 cups of water daily improves gut motility, while a 2023 Journal of Translational Medicine study linked exercise and stress management to better gut flora. Hydration tips. Drink 8 cups of water daily, per United States Department of Agriculture guidelines. Add lemon or cucumber slices, 20 cents, for flavor, available at Kroger. Lifestyle tips. Exercise. 30 minutes of daily walking increases gut bacteria diversity by 10%, per a 2024 gut study. Use United States parks or gyms, $20 per month at Planet Fitness. Stress management. 10 minutes of meditation reduces gut-disrupting cortisol by 15%, per a 2023 psychosomatic medicine study. Try apps like Calm, $70 per year. Sleep. 7 to 8 hours nightly supports gut health, per a 2024 sleep study, critical for 35% of Americans with poor sleep, per the CDC. Practical tip. Carry a reusable water bottle, $10 at Target, and schedule a daily walk or meditation to boost gut health. Build a gut-healthy routine with these meals. Start with overnight oats, snack on apples, lunch on quinoa bowls, enjoy yogurt in the afternoon, and end with salmon and kimchi. Pair with water, exercise, and stress management. A sample day: kefir oats for breakfast, apple slices mid-morning, quinoa bowl for lunch, yogurt snack and salmon dinner. Practical tips: prep ahead. Batch cook quinoa and sweet potatoes on weekends, saving 2 hours weekly, per a 2023 appetite study. Shop smart. Buy in bulk at Costco, $20 to $30 per week for one. Track progress. Use MyFitnessPal, $50 per year, to monitor fiber and probiotics. Involve family. Cook together to make gut health fun, a United States trend. Consult experts. Visit nutrition.org or a dietitian for personalized plans. A 2024 Journal of Nutrition study showed that gut-focused diets improve digestion by 20% in 1 month. Your gut health shapes your entire well-being. Take our 30-day gut health challenge. Eat these foods daily, stay hydrated, and add exercise and meditation. Share your progress at nutrition.org and inspire others. With 70% of Americans facing gut issues, your choices matter. Consult a dietitian or doctor via choosemyplate.gov. And let's build a gut-healthy United States. That's it for what I eat in a day for gut health. Subscribe for more daily health tips and comment below. Which gut-friendly food are you trying first? Let's keep the conversation going and build a healthier United States. See you tomorrow.